I think it's time to put some new wooden slats on this roof rack. Let's do it. Picked up these oak slats from Home Depot. They are 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch by 36 inches. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure these, get them cut, and we'll drill and oil them. Fit them into one groove about where they're supposed to go, and measure where they need to be cut. Let's see how close it is. So there's quite a bit of change here in the width, because these pieces are bowed outwards just a little bit. So I'm gonna have to measure each slat individually before I do the cuts. Go ahead and do that now. Okay, you saw that I just kind of fitted one end into the groove and measured about where the cut needs to be for the slat to fit in there. Went ahead and did that with all 9 of them. I'm going to cut, drill, and oil them now. Let's do one of these cool time lapses. Ready? There we go. All right, they look pretty cool. I like it. Darkens them up just a little bit. The oil I put on them is boiled linseed oil, same stuff that I use for the clear coat on the outside of the car. Yeah, so I'm gonna let these dry for several days, maybe up to a week. I may add another coat as it dries, and then go ahead and get them installed. Okay, and we're done. I like it. Turned out pretty sweet. Just in time for Halloween. We're gonna decorate her up. There's some stuff that's gonna go on top of the roof rack, so that'll be fun. All right, have a good one.